Taurus, this is your channel messages for the 13th of November. I am your host, Vanessa Carby, C-A-R-B-Y. Carby, not Carlton. Making my way downtown, walking fast, faces fast, and I'm homebound. Dum. Not Vanessa Carlton. As a matter of fact, we're going to play Vanessa Carlton now, 1,000 miles. And for all of you haters that are saying that I can't sing, so spiritual medium, psychic practitioner, and tarot reader. Anyways, Taurus, this is your channel song. It seemed like it just came up in the reading, so we're going to sing a little bit of it right now. I'm waiting on the premiere of Wicked to pass. Somebody said Ariana Grande gave up her voice for everlasting youthfulness. I don't know if that's true. Anyways. Making my way downtown, walking fast, faces past, and I'm homebound. Staring blankly ahead, just making my way through the crowd. And I need you, and I miss you. And now I wonder if I could fall into the sky. Do you think time would pass me by? Oh, and you know I'd walk 1,000 miles if I could just see you tonight. There's always times like these when I think of you, and I wonder if you ever think of me. Taurus, 'cause everything's so wrong and I don't belong, living in your precious memories. Taurus, they mean you and they miss you, and now they wonder that I wasn't a white girl. Was that what you're wondering, if I was white? No, I'm the black one. Totally different one. From Jamaica with the rims of China, just the rims with China, in a race with China with a shaved vagina just to make it shinier. Anyways, let's go ahead into your career reading, okay? Reading your career, Taurus. I hope that is something that you are okay with, because I know that you're very secretive about your endeavors. Nevertheless, let us go ahead and see what the cards have in store for who? Taurus, let's go. Okay, so what is your focus, Taurus? What is your focus? Your focus is the 5 of Swords. So I'm getting something requires mental strength. It requires wittedness, quick response. No, I want to say humiliation. You're getting picked on, or whatever somebody said to you, you need to have a really quick response. I'm getting it in a verbal tit-for-tat war with somebody, okay? So your focus is, okay, your focus might be people saying things to you to get you upset. So you're at your job, or you just get a promotion, you're about to get a promotion, you're getting somebody want irate you, so you fuck up the whole opportunity. Whether you curse, or you attack somebody, I'm getting this is all about with your head so that you can get irate to attack. So people are focused on making you angry. What's your advice? Your advice is the Hangman. But I'm getting you can use that to your advantage. Instead of getting angry because they say something to trigger you, say something back. We forget that we can do the same thing to people that people do to us, just like a mirror. Sometimes people will say mean things to us and we don't say anything back because we're like, I don't want to say anything back and it's offensive. Sweetie, that's the point. You're supposed to... excuse me, yeah, but why did you say that to the teenagers? Excuse me, why did you say that to those teenagers? Why did you call them the N-word? Excuse me, I don't want to talk about this now. No, we have to talk about it. Why did you call them the N-word? Do you see how offensive that could be? Yes, that's why I said it, right? We're getting, yeah. Me getting, you don't want to be offensive while people offending you. And if you don't know a witty thing to say, anytime somebody says something to you don't like, just say fuck off. And then I'm gonna say, whoa, you're going, oh, you went from 0 to 100, yeah. Because I don't have time to tell you how to be witty, how to tell a girl, say, and that's why a man don't want her from behind because she look like SpongeBob. I don't have time to teach you how to be witty. So anytime, the first thing them say to you, oh, nice pair of shoes, huh? Just say fuck off. Or tell them, anything them says to push it up in your mother. That's where you're going to start. Because you don't have to get angry and fuck up your day. Just hurt their feelings back. You need to learn how to do this. But unfortunately, your parents were such bullies to you that every time they did bully you, you know that you couldn't answer them because you would get bullied or you would get in trouble. So now you go out there in life and bullies are bullying you, and what you can do, you can't say nothing. Because you're scared to offend them. Don't be scared. Let's see what your mentorship is. Your mentorship is the 3 of Cups. I'm getting women, exactly. Your mentorship is women. Women are mentoring you, or all alone talking among each other as women what you guys supposed to do. So as a woman, I'm gonna say again, getting somebody, you go to work, oh, you change your hair? Yeah, so did you change your pad? Okay, great, right? Every time you go work is an issue. We're getting them a settings for maybe them don't want you come to work, they want bully you out of work. I don't know what they're doing. But I'm getting from a woman to woman, here's the advice. Usually the only reason why women, whether them big, whether them young, whether them rich or poor, whether them making backhand remarks against you, because they're jealous. So tell her to fuck off. She will say, you have no respect. You have no respect. Sweetie, you have to understand the world that you're living in. You're fresh 19-year-old, 20-year-old going to the workplace and wondering why all of these old, washed up, cobweb pussy bitches bullying you because they're jealous as fuck. So what you want? You're going to be nice to your elders? You think because them old you can't blood clot tell them to fuck off? You think because them old you can't tell them that? Them soon dead. Believe me, telling them to fuck off is the least of them problem. So me getting a bag of older woman round you and them a bully you. Tell them to go suck out them big pussy. Tell them to go and ask them where them man there. You're scared. Where you scared of? Them is scared of bullying you with your young, nice, fresh what do. You don't even make a bad decision in life yet. But you just enter the work. Some of them women you are 40 just get blood clot job. You are 19, 18, 20, 21 just get your job. Why are these women bullying me? Because you have time. Because you don't have no pitney. Because no man never tie you. That's why them a bully you. Because you have money you can spend for yourself and your hair and your nails. You don't have to spend it for that man for trying to keep him. Or you don't have to spend it for your children. Because you don't have any. So be very generous with telling people to go suck out them blood clot but or fuck off. As a woman, I'm telling you this. What is your sign that you're on the right path? Your sign that you're on the right path is the 8 of Wands. Yeah. Me getting your sign is everybody will call off your phone when you go silent. The sign is when you not complain about your problem, everybody will call you. Okay, I didn't hear from you. You mean you didn't hear me complaining? I'm getting women are the ones who are doing this to you. So me getting, yeah, this is really getting you upset at work. Or getting you upset while you're working, so that you can lose a promotion, or I don't know, somebody feel like they're exempt from your anger. They're not. What's the outcome? You're getting a lot of communication, or people are just start blow up your phone and text off your phone, or maybe that's what they want to do. They're texting you to get you angry. Sweetie, I would be angry that your mom lied down with that man to make your face come out like that. That's what would anger me. We have the Emperor as your outcome. Well, at least there's one man here protecting you. So if there's a bag of woman, no, your woman are your mentor. So I'm getting the Emperor wants you to work with women and want you to. I'm getting the Emperor loves to see beautiful, smiling women mingling with each other. I don't know if some man wants to the girl them fight and compete with each other and one up each other. I'm getting the Emperor don't like that. Or if he's the boss, him love when all of the women them just. Maybe the Emperor like to see the women go against each other. Maybe the Emperor, you're putting the women against each other, tit for tat in it. If that's not it, then we're getting, you like to see when women are just beautiful together, hanging out with no drama. But other women don't like to see it. Because they're miserable. Them say miserable. Anyways, let's go. Let's get some messages. We got lying. Yeah, someone's lying. Saying that you're irate, you love cuss, you love said this, you love said that. You know, so she's cussed bad word at me. I didn't cuss bad word at her unless she deserved it. Walking telling people that I am the aggressor. Right? We have the Emperor again. Yeah, we have the Emperor 2 times. I don't know if the Emperor finds it funny when you get aggressive. I don't know. The Emperor twice. So I'm getting your boss is a man, this Emperor is your boss. I have to take these secrets to the grave. It's over, and we got the Hermit and we got Scorpio. Your opposite, Taurus. I'm going to leave it here until next time. Bye.